expecting Mutare's AI-powered smart silos ahead of the expected commissioning by His Excellency the President, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa, in the near future, perhaps on the 29th of October, which is next Wednesday. These smart silos are at 98% completion. What is just left is the outstanding paving work and just to completely test the whole plant. So we should be ready, and we expect a very big crowd to celebrate this transformation in the agricultural sector. The President has instructed that we do 14 sites. He commissioned on the 5th of May this year the Kwekwe silos. Here in Mutare is what is expected to be next. Then we go to Mangura, and then we go to Mvurgwi and many others. So 14 sites will be complete in the next 2 years.
We are here, we are exhibiting mainly 3 areas. The first one is the smart silos that are artificial intelligence driven. As you can see here, the President, His Excellency Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, launched the first one in Kwekwe in May this year. And you can see that side, you have your Agrodura, where we have opened a brand, household brand, and we are open in all the 88 depots. So we sell the 7 basic commodities. Some of them we buy from different manufacturers, some of them we produce. Now the other third item is all the logistics, wherein we were given 20 40-ton trucks by His Excellency the President, and Agrodura we bought 2 30-ton trucks. In support of that also, we bought 15 single cabs to give to the managers in the depot. Maybe I'll go here to highlight the importance of the smart silos. I want to highlight that before independence, we only had 4 silos, okay? The First Republic did 8 to make them 2. Right now, the Second Republic has been able to do 14, which will be completed by 2026. This is a massive transformation within the national food security sector, and we are very happy with the support that we have been given by government. In terms of the achievement that we have done, you are aware that last year there was the worst drought in 43 years, and 6.45 million people required food assistance. In this regard, we were able to facilitate 320,000 metric tons of cereals to the people, and no one died of hunger. We want to thank the President for that. GMB is also involved in the input distribution under Presidential Input Program, and each summer season we distribute around 120,000 metric tons. That is your seeds, fertilizers, and chemicals. Besides that, GMB also does the winter wheat program input distribution, where you are looking at another 20,000 metric tons of inputs. Besides that, we have an additional role where we are supporting also cotton growers through the same Presidential Input Program. So we are the suppliers of the inputs for cotton growers. To this regard, we distribute around 25,000 metric tons. So you can see all these numbers and the values. We are talking of millions and millions that are moved by GMB.